Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jylla leng bakatanat rekam jang ka social welfare kala pedang Sngewbha u Dr.Virendra Kumar u Menteri Sorkar badekmi ikatanat social justice and empowerment jang kari India. Haka jungwan jungok jung u ya ka Jylla Meghalaya haka arpuway tarik unai luar arhajar arpuway. Na kabenta banyak keren bak dia Kynduh i dekat Raymond Sngewbha banyak keren ru halor ki skim baper ki bahap bakatanat jang ka social justice and empowerment. Hakan ni kasngi gidekhat Raymond Sngewbha baper gilayawan hakan ni Jylla.
This institution is under the Department of Empowerment for Persons with Disability of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. So, and this institution has been just started in the month of July 19, 2021. So it is under the administrative control of National Institute for Empowerment of Multiple Disability, NIMET, Chennai. So here, actually, we have just currently started. So we have just started first with a state-level webinar, which is on mental health.
One of the important thing is that special education. So one very important thing is that how actually the children with disabilities are getting that inclusive education. So that's where a lot of focus is being given by the state government. Sir, I just wanted to tell you there are some NGOs, around 7 NGOs are there. वो जो 7 NGOs सर ये जो disability education, special education के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. So we, in fact, the state government having seen their work, and last year we launched a state-specific scheme to support the schools, especially to pay the salaries of the teachers of the schools. So this is about 1.3 crores has been sanctioned last year, and we would like to continue that program because in fact, when we talk about normal schools, state do provide support to the teachers in the form of a deficit schools and aided schools. But these are the schools which are very important. So first time we brought them under that particular fold. So over and above the Government of India's, the granting aid and support that is being given through the Deen Dayal scheme. So this is one thing that we have provided to see that, the children would get, a quality education and sensitive support, because this is an education which requires a different, commitment. When we talk about different commitment to teach the children, so we require the missionaries, we require the NGOs, we require the civil society organizations who work in this field.
And many things have done, sir. We have done many things in the last 50 years naturally. For want of time, I will not go into detail because that would be too long, but NEC has done a lot. I can tell you this much, and in the balanced development of the northeastern region. We have set up many iconic institutions, whether it's in the sector of health, engineer, police, nursing, different colleges and institutions. It's another thing that we have handed over them to respective ministries. And then we have also taken up a lot of works on the road sector, power sector, the health sector, the livelihood sector. So much so that, in fact, the footprints of NECs everywhere, it may be difficult to find a district where, at least the old district, Purana district जो है, जहाँ पे मतलब NEC का कुछ ना कुछ प्रोजेक्ट और काम ना हो, ऐसा जो जहाँ तक मेरे समझ में है काम है ऐसा जिला. So Northeast has done a lot of things, but of late, and of course we are always here for the region and for the need of the people we have worked a lot.
राज्य सरकार के हमारे अधिकारियों से, हमारे राज्य सरकार के जो मंत्री हैं, माननीय मंत्री जी से, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री से भी हम लोग उसको बुला सकते थे, बुलाते भी हैं. लेकिन आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमारे मंत्री उन राज्यों में जाएं, विशेष रूप से नॉर्थ ईस्ट के राज्यों में जाकर और इस क्षेत्र में जो कुछ गतिविधियां हो रही हैं उनके बारे में जानकारी लें, उन गतिविधियों को और कैसे प्रभावी ढंग से समाज के उन वर्ग के लोगों के लिए जिनकी योजना बनी है कैसे उन तक और प्रभावी ढंग से पहुंचाया जा सकता है. आज तो आपसे परिचय हुआ, लेकिन अगली बार जब मैं आऊंगा, आज मैं एक संस्था में होकर आया, अगली बार जब आऊंगा तो बाकी संस्थाओं में से भी चयनित करके कुछ स्थान पर वहां आकर और आपके साथ में विजिट करके प्रत्यक्ष रूप से आपके गतिविधियों का हम जो है ना निरीक्षण करेंगे।